Olive oil is extremely healthy. It has loads of antioxidants and fatty acids, and it's considered one of the superfoods. Using olive oil is just simple. So you can just change your normal oil. Like cooking adobo, you can use pure olive oil. So it gives a little extra taste to your daily dishes. So yeah, so extra virgin is really good for salads, for non-cooking dishes. So this is the olives are cold pressed. It's not heated, so it's better for like drizzling to meats, seafood, salad, pasta. So it gives another layer of flavor on top. So it adds a little note to your dishes. So now we're going to pure. Pure has a high smoke point. So this is good for like sauteing your garlic, onions, pasta. It has a high smoke point. And pumas, you can use this for roasting, frying, and this is the highest smoke point. So olive oil smoke point. So it reaches a certain temperature that it gets burned. EVO has a low smoke point, so it easily gets burned. Pure olive oil has a high smoke point. This is around 220 degrees Celsius. And pumas has the highest smoke point. It reaches around 230 to 240 degrees Celsius. It doesn't get brown easily, so you can actually reuse it. And there you have it. I hope you were able to pick up a few skills from our masterclass today that you can use for your next creation in the kitchens. Thank you very much for watching.